Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today, in the Thursday's newspaper of May the 20th, 2021. We have two puzzles left: a binary puzzle 2 and a tectonic one. And it's actually today, Monday. No, Tuesday. Correction, Tuesday. Tuesday, May the 25th, and May the 25th, and the is no additional today, so I've decided to continue with the Thursday's newspaper. So the third puzzle in this newspaper will be a binary puzzle, and what number will this be? This will be number 2843. Yes, 43. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O here, one there, one. 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 Double one here, no there, no. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one here, no there, no. Double one here, no there, no. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one here, no there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then between 2 ones comes an O. Double O here, one there, one. Double one here, no there, no. Between 2 ones comes an O. And now, between 2 O's comes an 1. Double one here, no there, no. Yeah. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this last row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be no, this should be a 1. Alright. Then, let me see. Yeah, between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one there, one. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Then I think I need to compare. Yeah. I need to compare the rows, but yeah. 1 oh. This row and that row. 0011 empty box. 0011 empty box 11. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And we have double O here, one there, one. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. A double O here, one there, one. Then. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1 here, no dear, no. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, oh wait, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Oh wait, between two 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Finished in 5 minutes. Oh right, great. Binary, I like this one. Only once comparing, yes. I need to compare once. And I like this one. Yes, do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle. It will be a tectonic with 1 star. See you then. Bye bye for now.